In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to manage a draw.io mind map tree. In this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the overall idea is the same in Jira as well. The goal here is to make your mind map easier to navigate by letting you hide or reveal branches as needed, which is especially helpful when you're working with larger diagrams. Once you're inside the page editor, find the mind map you want to update, click on the diagram to select it, and you should see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io diagram editor in a pop-up, allowing you to make changes directly to the mind map without leaving Confluence. Now that you're in the editor, select a parent node in your mind map. A parent node is the main shape that has one or more connected branches underneath it. After selecting that node, move over to the panel on the right side and make sure you're on the Style tab. This is where you'll find the visual and behavior settings for the selected shape. Within the Style tab, click Property to expand that section if it isn't already open. Then look for the option called Tree Folding and check the box next to it. As soon as you enable this setting, you'll notice a small minus icon appear on the parent node back on the canvas. That icon is what allows the node to collapse its connected branches. Click the minus icon, and the branches attached to that parent node will collapse, giving you a cleaner and more compact view of your mind map. Once the branches are hidden, the icon changes from a minus sign to a plus sign. If you click the plus icon, the hidden branches will expand again and become visible. This makes it easy to switch between a detailed view and a simplified overview, depending on what you need at the moment. If you want the same expand and collapse behavior in other parts of the diagram, repeat this process for any other parent nodes you'd like to control. Just select the node, go to the Style tab, open Property, and enable Tree Folding. And that's it. Once you've set this up, your mind map will be much easier to explore, present, and organize inside draw.io for Confluence or Jira.